Good morning, good afternoon, good night. Welcome to another Healing Hikes. Welcome. We back out here, sunny Will Rogers Park, Pacific Palisades. After the fires, man. It's finally back open. One of my favorite trails, man. Got some reconstruction. They really brought it back, man. I'm so thankful. Let's do it. Let's get out here. Look at it. It's so beautiful. And it's lush. The greenery is here because it rains too. So all this reconstruction is nice. It's so beautiful right now. So let's get out here and enjoy it, man. Let me show y'all. These all new stuff growing. So good, man. Boom. It's Monday. Good Monday. The equestrian center over there. There's a lot of horsing around to be done right there. No horses out there right now, though. But this way it goes down. This one has a great incline. Some switchbacks. You know how I feel about the switchbacks. We gonna keep on going up. Shout out everybody from the Palisades and all the Palisades survivors and everyone that was affected. It's been a long year, man. It's been a long year. But man, it's time to get greater. Things are gonna get greater. And so, man, let's look forward to 2026. So I said I was going to come here maybe like a week ago when it first, maybe like actually back in November when it really opened back up. But the place I wanted to go to was closed, so it's actually open now. So we're going. It's called Inspiration Point. Yeah, that's where we gonna go. We gonna gain some inspiration. I want y'all to gain inspiration of how you want your year to be. Yo, hold on. When I tell you I almost just took the L, that joint, you can feel it in my knee. I'm sitting around looking around and I stepped in this little crevice right here. It's crazy, let me show you. Crevice almost took me out, but it's crazy. But yeah, Inspiration Point, that's where we going. Let's do it. So green. Gotta love it out here, man. Good morning. Gotta love it. There's people out too. There's a lot of people for a good Monday, man. I'm glad people out here enjoying it. Look at that. So many places to see, man. So many things to do. I hope y'all enjoying y'all Monday though. 'Cause I am. Yes. So as you can see right here, see this tree has been burnt by the fire. But the beauty about trees is, man, that just peels off and you still got a tree that's gonna keep living, man. It's gonna keep going. That's how we do, man. Sometimes you gotta shed that skin. You gotta shed this, all that pain, all them traumas. Shed that so this tough interior can show, man, and the life can continue. That's what it's about, man. Blessings. Yeah, you can see a lot of damage done for a lot of these little bushes or whatever they are. But man, resilience. Communities, neighborhoods, cities, everybody, man, humans alone, we're a resilient species. And so we gonna keep going. It ain't never gonna stop, play, no matter what. You can see the water, man. There, that sparkle. It's nothing like it. It's crazy, man. All of this. You see construction being done at these houses over here. That's a brand new house. You know what I'm saying? They building them. Some people got those contracts fulfilled. Some people having real issues getting their stuff together. That's why, like, man, it's never really over. Never really over, man. Fire's still affecting things. I mean, they caught and punished the guy that supposedly set it on fire, who started it. But I don't know, man. Almost seems like the punishment doesn't fit the crime. But who am I? Like, I'm not a judge. I'm none of that, man. But pray for everybody. Pray for all parties involved. Him, the criminal, and all the families. And just the world, man. It's crazy nowadays. So yeah, this right here is gonna give you a real perspective of the damage in the Palisades, man. So I'm gonna show you some of this, but trigger warning though, just in case. It's definitely the end of devastation, and actually the start of a new. And so yeah, it's actually not too much of a bad thing, you know, but it is what it is. You can see actually how many people lost their stuff though. Lost their houses. You see all these lots. I'm gonna get right up here and I'm gonna show you. It's crazy. But then I'll show you some of the houses that were not affected too. And you see, man, some people got lucky. All right, so here we are, man. We got this house. It looks like it had no issues. Not sure though. Those gates might show that there might have been some issues, but those two houses are fine. Then you got this one, boarded up, issues. Then you got this, no problem, no problem. Let me zoom back out. But then you got up here, like, see what I'm saying? Burnt up. And so, this right here, a house. This is a whole house right here. This right here was a whole house. This is a whole house. See what I'm saying? So you can see how the lots were. A whole house gone. Another one gone. So that's what I'm saying. Like, the way it just skipped some things, some houses. It's like, what could you do, man? You still gotta leave. But look what's still standing. Good old tree. I just give you a little look of you know, some of what actually happened. You can see it. You can see the scale of things actually from right here. And you just be like, damn, dog, like, it was literally skipping houses. I got evacuated. My apartment, man. It's crazy. We good now though, man. Let's keep going. Let me show you the view. So yeah, man. Yep. So as you can see a lot of these trees right here, or bushes, have been burnt. And most of it is coming back. It's almost been a year. Next month will be a whole year, man. Whole world been going through it. So good. You see Century City from here. If the sky was clear, you can see everything. It's a helicopter right there. Yeah, unfortunately we had a situation in Brentwood, which is the neighborhood like right here. All of this is Brentwood area. It was a yeah, it's a pretty sad situation that's on the news right now. Rob Rainier and his wife, you know what I'm saying? Unfortunately, they're no longer with us. Man, so much going on in the world, man. Please take care of yourself and take care of others. But sometimes it ain't nothing you can do, man. It's sad. But that's why the helicopter's there. It's a lot of police presence and media presence there, because he was a big time movie producer, him and his wife. So, yeah, rest in peace, man. God bless their family. What are some things that inspire you? You know? What are some things that get you up every day to do the things you do and to keep the promises that you make? Let me know in the comments, man. Let me know, man. Let me know some things. I think some things that inspire me is the love of my family, the motivation, and just like the freedom that they give me to be me and to do the things I want to do. Not really like be too judgy or too controlling. I know some people's families can be controlling, want you to do what they want you to do, but just them allowing me the freedom to be who I want to be and to express myself in various types of ways and not like be too judgy or like, oh man, you need Jesus Christ or something. You know what I'm saying? They all know my true character. They know who I am. And that allows me to be inspired to like just continue to keep our name strong and to continue to just make them proud, man. That's one of my biggest inspirations out here in the world. Like, I gotta give it up for family, man. It's such a blessing to have it. And I'm so thankful. Such a beautiful trail, man. Such a beautiful hike. I'm so glad it's back. I can't tell you how excited I am, how thankful I am that this is back. And like I said, it's multiple trails, so they're open. You can hit them. It's funny because I haven't had to double back to any trails yet. Yeah, so many places to go. And I'm glad to bring you with me. Look at this. Not me, but all of this. Yeah, that. I just love the top of the mountains. Just love how it looks like sometimes it could be like a giant just laying down. It's so crazy, man. So crazy. It's also funny because it's a wild movie called, I think it's The Troll or something like that. And they had the mountains coming alive, but they came alive as a troll. It's insane. So much to do, man. So many places. Speaking of the fires, I got a question. If you got evacuated, what would be the first thing you would grab? Let me know. I think we almost up here though. Seems like a roundabout that takes you up. So let's get this wide angle going and keep it going. Let's see. Yes. Look at this view. Baby. See, if it was probably like on the weekend, like Saturday or something, maybe Sunday morning, this big band of fog, well, it has been actually foggy the last couple of days, so I think this is really just fog and not smog. But that black bar, that black line right there is the smog. So this is just fog right here. Or that little marine layer, they call it too. Amazing place, man. We made it to Inspiration Point. Oh, man. It's amazing up here. Let's see it. All right, let's give you this view. It's so good. 360. This is really like 180 already. I ain't gonna give you the 360. So good though.
Perfect. We got there. People in line waiting to get in.
Yo, somebody, please get me one of these. I need a bench. When it's all said and done for me, get me a bench. Woo! This sound right here is amazing. Do not let the behavior of others destroy your inner peace. Woo! She said that. I love this, man. This is good. I'm gonna need one of these benches, baby. All right. Now we did it. Made it to Inspiration Point. Gained some inspiration for this good old Monday. And now, I'm gonna go ahead and head on back home and get this Monday started right. I got some editing to do. We got 2 videos coming for y'all this week. I'm shooting for Wednesday and Friday. And yeah, be some good ones there too. Got some surprise. Let me share this thought with y'all. So one of those things said something about like kind of like basically I'm gonna sum it up to like the blessings that these trails provide to people and to like, and I just thought about it. I was like, yo, like thousands of people walk this trail daily, and like it's so serving, yo. It serves so much. And the fact that it's just like really, it's just here all the time, and it just sits here. It's just a place for people like me, or like even people that don't do this, like they can get out here and like get something from it. Such a beautiful thing, man. I gotta start finding ways to give back. Besides like advertising the hikes in my channel, like, I think I gotta do other things, man. This year, start looking for ways to support these trails, start doing some volunteering, get out here and actually help, man. Actually provide back, give back to these trails, because they give so much, man. In the let me know some ways, if you know any ways that I can contribute, or just ways that people can contribute to this type of environment, helping it out, whether it's volunteering, picking up trash when I come out on my own. I can pick one day a month, a couple days a month, and just do it. And that's just like, that would be the hike, you know what I'm saying? Just actually just taking it and picking up all the trash I see. I think that's a good idea. Maybe I should start there. And then, yeah, one day a month. Let's start that. I think we're gonna start right there, players. Oh, I ain't show y'all the fit. I got these on with my polo shirt. It matched so well, don't it? It's such a good vibe. I did it. Middle of December, man. December 15th. We out here. December 15th, man. And I still got buttons popped. That's what I'm talking about. Still based. December 15th, 2025. Still based. You know, you know. I asked Rue. Rue know about it. Yeah, I asked my man Big Ruger. Rugaroo. He know about it. You know, we out here based. Yes. I love it. See that big water jug right there? All right, so out here, most people use this little water jug, little white water jug right there. Most people use those for like farming and irrigation and stuff, and like, you know, watering plants and, you know, just transporting water and stuff, right? But in Atlanta, they use those as portable car washes. Hey, you can get you one of them. You in business, player. Get you one of those in the pressure washer. It's lit. It's a lot of gallons right there. You can get you off a couple cars a day. Make you motherfucking try to do 500 to 1,000 a day. Winning, dog. Winning. Get you 5,000. Get you 1,000. 5,000. Make 1,000 a day doing that shit. 5,000 a week. Take 2 days off. Or you don't even have to take a day off, because you do whenever the hell you want to do it. It's not a bad idea, man. Get you one. These joints right here, they had them shits right on the back of a truck, like it's nothing. Little pickup truck, ASAP. Getting it in. Oh, man. It's 3 red-tailed hawks right above me, man. So crazy. They're so beautiful. This one just like not even flapping its wings. Just doing this thing, yo. Just circling, looking for a little rodent or something. That was a shadow behind me. Watch, see if you see it again. That's the shadow. Old technology. All of this. These ones right here. Old crop tools. This is used to irrigate the land. Those little things right there, irrigated. Yep. I don't know why I kicked it. I shouldn't have kicked that like that. That was crazy. These are relics. And you see that one right there, like an old horse. John. Uh-oh. Say something over here. Let's go show you. That way now. Look at this. So that's where the horse would be. An old buggy. This whole little thing is an old, the little pickaxes and stuff over here. Blacksmith shop. So nice. Get it in. Even over here too. Look at all this old machinery, man. Yep. Stink too. All this greenery. So amazing. So I feel like I should be coming up around the car sometime soon. Seems like not yet. But I gotta get back because they only gave me an hour to park here, which is crazy. I don't understand that. What do you think anybody's gonna do in an hour? It's insane. But nevertheless, I'm grateful to have a parking lot. And so, hey, it is what it is. Worship. Praise him. Praise him, praise him, praise him. Big eucalyptus trees behind me. It's crazy. Man, we getting there though, man. Making it. What the hell is she doing? Still on the hike, y'all. Still out here. We made it back where we started from, ladies and gentlemen. I see the car. Thank you guys. Thanks everyone for coming with me, man. Will Rogers, Pacific Palisades, California. Man, it's been a great healing hike, man. I'll see y'all on the next one. Once again, it's been another healing hike. Blessings. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. I had to leave a cliffhanger, man. I bet y'all thought I forgot to say that. Nah, man, y'all know what to do though, man. I appreciate everybody for following, subscribing, commenting, liking, all of that, man. Keep it up. I appreciate y'all. Blessings. Healing hikes.